So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you why you should switch to GPT-image-1. So yes, I created this amazing automation to show you why you should exactly do this. So what happens was I used Pabbly Connect to regularly post on my Facebook page, but I used to use DAL-E model, and for that you can see the images it generated were like this. The quality was very low and also the images were not good. Now I use GPT-image-1 and the images it generates are like this, and you're going to see the prompt is exactly the same. You can see that this is exactly the same prompt which I've mentioned in DALL-E model and GPT-image-1 model too. And yes, just the difference is of model, and the images are so advanced. They are HD images. Also I can select the details like PNG, JPG and so on. So in this video I'll show you how you can also switch to GPT-image-1. And if you also want to learn how, then watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, first of all, if you are an existing user, then directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can generate up to 100 of images for free using Pabbly Connect, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code which is exclusively for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. And yes, I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, then you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Also, I'll just let you know that we have 100% no risk policy, that you're going to get 30 days money back guarantee too. Alright, so first try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription of Pabbly Connect, and the discount coupon code is attached right over here. Alright, so now you're on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, then you have to open your workflow builder, and in this video I'll first show you the difference between both of these. So as you can see, I've created this workflow where I've used schedule as my trigger. So what is trigger and action? So trigger and actions are the main principles on which workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, you have to select your trigger application. So I've selected my trigger application as schedule by Pabbly because I wanted to schedule my Facebook post every day at 12 p.m. So I've selected how often do you want to run your workflows every day, and for the time I've selected it as 12 p.m. and scheduled this for 12 p.m. Then I selected Chat GPT, which is OpenAI, as my action application, and generate image DALL-E as the event. I selected the model, entered the prompt, enter number of images to be generated, the size of the image and the quality. And after entering all of these details, when I generated the image by clicking on this save and send test request, it has generated me this image. I'm just going to show you the image. This is the images it generated. And yes, now using the same prompt, I'm just going to change the model. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to select the action application as OpenAI, but for the event we have to select it as GPT-image-1. It is very important that you select GPT-image-1 right over here. Connect your OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, enter the same prompt. I'm just going to show you that I'm just going to enter the same prompt. I'm just going to select the model as GPT-image-1, and then for the number of samples I'm just going to keep it as 1. I'm going to select the size, the moderation. You can also select the low moderation, auto moderation. Then you can select the quality, high, medium, low and so on. Also you can enter the output compression right over here. You can select the background should be transparent, opaque, and the main thing right over here is like you can select the output format JPG, PNG or WEBP, which is WebP. So you can select the output format too, and you have to just click on the save and send test request and it is going to generate you the image. So using the same prompt, which is going to check that when we're going to click on this save and send test request, what kind of image this GPT-1 is going to generate. So let's wait for a few seconds till it is generating the image right over here, and you can see it has generated me the image. So let's copy this file URL and I'm just going to open it in a new tab, and you're going to see the image it has generated is so advanced and yes, in HD format, and now I can post this on my Facebook. So yes, this is the difference between the DALL-E and the GPT-image-1 model, and further you can post it on your Facebook like this. First of all, if you want to learn how to connect OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, then you have to select the action application, the event, and click on this connect. If you're you have already created this connection, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection. It is going to ask you for the token. So open your OpenAI API key page, and once you open your OpenAI API key page, then you have to go towards this create new secret key button, enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key. Your key will be generated, so just copy the key and paste it right over here and your OpenAI account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. It is very easy. So now go try this gpt-image-1, which is the new action event inside Pabbly Connect today. And yes, further we're going to create the videos dedicated with this action event, so just check our YouTube channel for the same. So now if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below, and then further if you want the workflow, URL of this workflow is also attached in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, go and try this, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.